guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. I want to start vlogging my day. This is what I'll be wearing today. Hey guys, I'm at the mall right now and I figured I'll just share with you guys some budget-friendly tips that I use to shop. Number one is shopping at affordable stores like Burlington, Macy's, Urban Outfitters, Forever 21, H&M, Zara, Express. Sometimes they have really good stuff in their sales sections. What I do is I use my military discount or my student discount to shop because nobody wants to pay full price for anything when you can get a discount. Just remember that these stores are trying to make money off of you. So if you can utilize some form of discount, do so. Savage X Fenty and Fabletics are two stores that I'm currently exploring right now. I love both of them because they offer really good quality pieces for affordable prices when you are a VIP member. Now the thing with being a VIP member is that you have to remember to skip the month. If you don't skip the month, you'll end up paying $89 for the membership, and you don't want to pay $89. We're trying to save some money. Skip the month but still get the VIP perks. I just bought underwear and a romper, and I paid only for shipping. I paid $8 for everything just because I'm a VIP member. But I did skip the month, but I still get the VIP benefit. Do you understand? So I highly recommend that you check out online perks. Sometimes they have those wheels. You'll spin, then you get a discount, or they have like pop-up subscribe and get 10% off. I love a good deal. Anyway, I'm at the mall and I'm waiting on my mom. Did I say that? I don't think I said that. Yeah. She told me she was going to get one item. One item. Should I believe her? I don't believe her. And they made me hot chocolate this morning. Oh, let me show you guys how to drink like a true Jamaican. First, you need to stir it tea like this. Okay. Then you take a sip. And if you have a burp, this is the time where you burp. But I don't have one. Am I gonna burp? Can I force a burp? Okay, no, that doesn't feel right. Yes, Ja. I've been having dreams. I'm really tempted to make a really bad financial decision right now. So my camera broke, but I saw this other camera at Best Buy for like $300. But I don't have any money. Does anyone love me enough to buy me a camera? Anyone? A camera along with the ring light and the stick for the camera and a memory card and an extra battery. Is anyone out there who loves me that much? Anybody? Any takers? Please help me. I know this one item that my mom went to buy is taking a very long time. I thought the thing would come up my hair. Should I take a nap? Sometimes I just want to exist. Like, I don't want to think about anything. I just want to. I'm hilarious. Maybe I should just go inside and have some fun. But it's raining. Well, it was raining. Let's make some faces. Okay, the first face we're gonna make is a happy face. Okay, and let's make surprise face. Wow. Okay, let's make a angry face. Wait, what's angry? Oh my god, I just burped. Excuse me. Let's make a what other expressions are there? Confused face. Let's make a constipated face. Okay, let's make a mindless face. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. If you're buying jewelry and you can't afford real gold, if it's not stainless steel, don't buy it. These are super cute. These are super cute, but it's not stainless steel. Not everybody loves light setting powder, but I personally love dark setting powders.
No, porque I don't need it today. Si no, ya tendría que. Because that did not go as planned. It's weird. Wait, why is it doing this? Anywho, let's go search for my fabulous carpet. Alright guys, it's a couple minutes after 4 now. I left my house at around 12 o'clock. We just finished with shopping. Now it's time to do laundry. So we're gonna go to a laundromat. I have a laundry place at my apartment, but I really hate it. It's really disgusting and dirty, so I don't use it. So I'm gonna go to the laundromat and get laundry done. Then I can finally be home in my bed all cuddled up where we started. thank you guys for watching. Just in case I don't vlog anymore for the rest of the evening, for the rest of the night, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think of this video. Should I do more of this?